morning, dears. Last class of arithmetic, we have completed question number 1 and 2 from exercise 6C. Look at question number 3. Here, you have given certain sets in set builder form. You have to write it in roster form, and then afterward you have to find certain things, whichever they have asked. First, f is equal to factor of 72. So what are the factors of 72? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 is not, 8, 9, 12, 18, then 3 to 6, 24, 36 and 72. The next it says H is factor of 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 is not, 9 is not, 10, then 12, then 15, then 20, then 30, then 60. This is the H. And J is the factors of 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. I have written all the sets in roster form. Now they have asked you to find F union H. What will be the F union H? Just tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20, 24, 30, 36, 60 and 72. While watching this sets, I can write the answer. So you don't need to solve. You just watch the set and write your answers. Okay. Just see it is given H union J. Now the members of H will start 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 4 this is common. Then next this comes 5. So we'll write 5. Then next comes 6. So I'll write 6. Both the places 6 is there. After 6 the next number is 8. Then it comes 10. You can see I'm comparing. The 12 is both the places. So 12. After 12 here is 16. Here is 15. So I'll be writing 15. Then 16. Then I have 20. Then I have 24. Then I have 30. Then I have 48. Then I have 60. So just compare the sets which is written above in roster form and you write the answers which is asked for question number 3. Hope you can do it. There is no doubt in this. Now number 4 it says F intersection H. Now F intersection H means which are the members common in both the places. F 1 and 1 common, 2 common, 3 common, 4 common. Then I didn't have 5 here, so 5 is not common. Now 6 is common in both the places. I didn't have 8 here, 9 here. I didn't have 10 here. Then again 12 is common in both the places. Then I didn't have 15 here. I didn't have 18 here. I didn't have 20 here. I didn't have 24 here. I didn't have 30 here. I didn't have 60 here. So these are the members which is common in F intersection H. So just compare and write the answers which is asked. Then question number 4. I'm not going to say you anything, that you have to do it. Question number 4 is homework. This set just you have to match and write here. So kindly do not wait for the next. Ma'am will do, then will do. You must start doing it. You must do it. So question number 4 is homework. You have to complete this leftover 3 sums, and question number 4 you have to complete. Look at question number 5. Here it says set C is equal to A, E, I, O, U. C is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Set D is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now you have to find C union D. So that will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, O, U. C intersection D, it will be A, E in both the places, E, then I. Is it? Now what is the relation between the set C union D and C intersection D? You can see all the members of C intersection D is a member of C union D. So that's what we can write, relation between C union D and C intersection D is equal to C intersection D is a subset of C union D. Is it this we have learned now? What is subset? C intersection D is a subset of C union D because the members of C intersection D are the members of C union D. So we can write it, C intersection D is a subset of C union D. So this is question number 5. You finish number 3, number 4 and this 5 is done. You leave it for today this much. The next day we will be solving question number 6 and all. Till then keep practicing. Thank you dears.